mixed numbers into improper fractions. Hey, that's what we're going to be learning today, how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Here's a mixed number, 1 1/2, and we're going to convert that to an improper fraction. And I'm going to tell you why in just a little bit. But first, let's make sure we know how to do it. So 1 1/2. So we're going to convert it to an improper fraction. And the way we do it is we go 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 halves. 3 halves. 1 1/2 equals 3 halves. Now, an improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. And again, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, and then the denominator stays the same. Hey, why don't you try these? We'll pause the video, see if you can do them. Okay, we're back. And let's see, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17 over 5. Okay, 17 over 5 goes into 17 3 times, with 2 left over out of 5. Here we go, 7 and 5, 6 is the mixed number. Let's convert it to an improper fraction. We go 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47, 6. 47, 6. So 6 goes into 47 7 times with 5 left over out of 6. 4 7/10. 4 7/10. So 10 times 4 is 40, plus 7 is 47. Ooh, are these two equal? No, because it's out of 10. It's out of 10. So 47/10. And this was converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. My name is Jason Jacobs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, here's the bonus, guys, the bonus. Okay, so let's say, for example, guys, let's say you're doing this like we do in 1-3 in 6th grade, the third lesson in 6th grade we do. Let's say you have 1 1/2 times 3 2/5. How do we multiply these fractions? Well, this is what you do. This is what you do, guys. You're going to convert these into improper fractions and then multiply across. So let's do that. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 halves. So that's the first step. And then 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17 fifths. All right, so now we can do the multiplying of fractions. 3 times 17, well, I'll just use the commutative property to do 17 times 3, and I get 51. 51 out of, 51 is the numerator, and 2 times 5 is 10. So now we have an improper fraction that we have to convert to a mixed number, right? So 10 goes into 51 5 times with 1 left over out of 10. So this equals 5 1/10. Common mistake would be to do 1 times 3 and then 1/2 times 2/5. A lot of students do that. Not you. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because really, what you want to do is kind of the distributive property. 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2/5 plus 1/2 times 3 plus 1/2 times 2/5. Or just do it this way, you know. All right, maybe I got over your head a little bit, but that's where you're headed. That's why this is important. Mixed numbers to improper fractions. I'll see you later. Bye.